residents in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin until 5:45 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mineral Point to Scales Mound, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement. There have been multiple reports of 60 miles an hour winds with these storms over the last 30 minutes. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shellsburg, Belmont, Argyle, Blanchardville, Apple River, Rita, New Diggings, South Wayne, Fayette, Lamont, Gratiot, Calamine, Lead Mine, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, and Woodford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.